What's up, Bussalinas? Going on a little group ride today. What is this? Oh, okay. It's made like that. Alright. These brakes move a lot inside these calipers. Every time you back up or go forward and hit them, you can feel it click. You can feel it, and the handlebars almost click. Alright, let's go have some fun, man. Hell yeah. What's up, Bussalinas? We're gonna go meet up with Chuck and Josh, and we're going to a group ride today. It's a celebration for our guys hitting 200K on Instagram. His name is True Vision Photography. He does a lot of Mez's videos and Rafa's videos. A lot of people in town. Should be fun. Should be wild. It's probably gonna be another wild one. We'll meet up with the boys. Why is my traction control off? Oh, did I turn it off? Maybe I turned it off. Oh, you know what? I did turn it off. I was trying to hit the brights the other night. I couldn't find the button. I did that. All right, we're good. Man, you know, this thing's been weird too. Like, it's been slipping. The back wheel's been locking up on me, sort of. I mean, not really, but like the ABS has been kicking in more. That's probably why. We're still in standard mode. And we're respecting Plano. We're sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, you guys, bro, you got me, all right? You got me. You cost me a bunch of money and a day in jail. Please, just back off. I promise you ain't gonna hear nothing else from Angry D. Oh, I should have said that in the beginning. I know. I should have just said all this is on Patreon anyway, so if anything, it costs them $1 to see it. I've been here before. I got a doctor around here or something. One of my doctors is right over there or something, because I ate at that Chick-fil-A after some very concerning test results. I was like, you know what? I deserve Chick-fil-A. I'm telling you, Chick-fil-A cheer anybody up, bro. Whatever you're going through, if you're feeling bummed, just get in your car, get on your bike, go up to Chick-fil-A and have a chicken sandwich. Some of them chicken minis. Chicky! What up, man? What's up? What's up? Yeah, what's up?
We don't plan on behaving.
Hearing both of these engines together, oh, it's beautiful. Woo! Is that quick shifter? No more. He got that fixed. Oh yeah, bro. Look at Chuck go. Get it, Chuck. Angry D. And the D stands for probably gonna die on this thing. Yeah, boys. Look at this guy, bro. This little blue duck with no hair. He cut his hair off, bro. What's up, bro? This shit gonna be wild. I am scratching this bike up, y'all. I don't even know how it's happening. I gotta get a tank cover ASAP. Oh yeah, look at everybody, bro. Yeah, boy. Oh, look at the freaking Buell, bro. The 1125, dude. Oh yeah, dude. I always wanted to ride one of those. I call it the lobster. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Cool, bro. This is badass, dude. It's not as loud as last time. Oh, I'll take that back. This guy in this car is mad. Look at this dude in his 09, bro. He's moving. You can jigsaw out there on that Busa.
When you want to succeed as bad as you want to breathe, then you'll be successful. And when you get to the point where all you want to do as bad as you want to breathe, then you'll be successful.
Here comes the bill.
Riding the ZH2. Whoa. Woo. Yeah, boy. Oh, I see him. I see him, bro. I see him. Found him. You don't want this, boy. You don't want this. He wants it now. He wants it now. No way we just beat that dude. No way, bro. No way we just beat that dude, bro. No way, bro. He let us win, bro. He said he was wobbling. We smoked the ZH too. It's on film. I got that on camera. And this one. That was still there? Yeah, that camera might be gone, huh? We might have lost that Hero 7. Oh, I'd be so bummed out. That Jixer way over there? Where's that? That is cool, bro. He was at Bubba's ride. Oh, he's about to do something. Oh, here we go. Dude, that Jixer's fast, bro. It's a 750. He's fucking smoking an R1 right now. That bike's fast, dude. Here comes Jixer, bro. Jixer bro on the booster. No way, bro. Oh my God! Woo! We're just gonna pull in here with the cops sitting there.
Where's the one? Where's he at?
Back there. There's two of them.
Yeah, probably not. Okay. I like that idea. Where are you going?
I don't like that idea at all.
I think you're okay if they're doing that.
Oh God. Oh my God, dude. Hell yeah, bro. That was fun, dude.
Dang,
Yep.
bud. I gave you the hit, but I just caught speed while riding.
Oh, dude, I was like, no way. Dude, no way.
I couldn't catch up.
But you was wobbling. Hell yeah, bro. Look at FZ09 buddies. Aww. Nice, dude. That shit was fun. Somebody lost a passenger? What the fuck? I'm on side of him for like 10 minutes trying to get his attention. I'm like,
Dude,
I know. I was like, bro, he's so focused right now. What's up, Barcelinas? That was crazy, huh? That was fun, dude. Bro, I freaking lost a whole camera, dude. I lost a Hero 7. Last night, I spent like an hour mounting a Hero 7 to the back of this bike, and it's gone now. That sucks, because I wanted to show little Blue Duck us smoking him. Dude, that sucks, bro. That was a lot of good footage gone. I'm more worried about that than the camera, honestly. All right, Barcelinas, let's get out of here before the cops start fucking with us. I'm surprised they're not. I'm very shocked that them cops back there are not coming over here. See them? Behind me. Y'all know I'm kind of paranoid right now anyway. I don't need that shit. Alright, I'm gonna get out of here. This shit was fun today, man. I lost the camera, so I lost a bunch of good footage. So, video would have been better had I done a better job securing that thing to my bike, I guess. But I tried, bro. I spent like an hour on it. I pulled and wiggled it, and dude, I can't believe it came off. Oh well, we'll have to figure something out. New solution. All right, Barcelinas, thanks for kicking it today, bro. It was fun, dude. Hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah, Barcelinas. Today was pretty fun. Sucks I lost that camera. I'm more worried about the footage than the camera, because it was some good stuff. We're gonna ride with Chuck and Josh to the gas station. I know that R1 needs gas. Yeah, dude. Bro, you gotta love the sound of an FZ07, dude. You got to. All right, bro. Have a good day, man. Yeah, dude. That bike's badass, ain't it? Carbon fiber all the way, bro. The whole bike. All right, Bossalinas. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video now for the YouTubes. And if you want to see the rest of it, join the Patreon. It's only $1. Link in the description. And here we go. Freaking come by the live streams, bro. Stop in and say what's up. And join the Discord, bro. Yeah, the Discord's lit. There's almost 200 people in there now. It's lit. Well, if you're watching on YouTube, then I just edited out the entire ride home. If you want to see the whole video, the full version, join the Patreon, dude. It's $1. Just got to do something to keep us protected, you know. So, I love you guys, man. Thanks for supporting us. Join the Patreon, join the Discord, like and subscribe. Blah, 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 blah. Most important, love yourself, dude. No matter who you are or what you do, don't you let anybody tell you how to be. And don't you let anybody tell you that how you're doing it's wrong. You do you, bro. Fat, skinny, ugly, tall, bald, short, pretty. I love every one of y'all. I was gonna say flat chested, big titties. I love all of y'all. It's all encompassing. I love you guys, man. Thanks for being there for me too, yo. All right, this is my Bossalina.